step-by-step action plan to help you achieve your goals. Define your goals. Start by identifying what you want to achieve. Write down your goals in specific, measurable terms. For example, if your goal is to get a job, specify the type of job you want, the salary you want, and any other relevant details. 2. Break down your goals. Once you've identified your goals, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Create a timeline for each step and identify any resources or support you may need along the way. 3. Create an action plan. Develop a specific action plan for each step. Be as detailed as possible, including specific tasks, deadlines, and resources needed. Assign accountability to yourself for each task, and create an accountability partner if necessary. 4. Take action. Start working on your action plan immediately. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for everything to be in place. Start taking action towards your goals today. 5. Review and adjust. Regularly review your progress and adjust your action plan as necessary. Celebrate your successes along the way, but also learn from your failures and setbacks. Use this feedback to make adjustments to your plan and keep moving forward. 6. Maintain self-care. Remember to take care of yourself along the way. Prioritize your physical, emotional, and mental well-being to ensure you have the energy and motivation to achieve your goals. 7. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek support from others. Reach out to mentors, friends, or family members for advice or encouragement. Join a community group or online forum to connect with others who share your goals. By following these steps, you can create a concrete action plan to achieve your goals, take actionable steps towards success, and maintain your well-being throughout the process. Remember, taking action is key to creating meaningful change in your life. By following through on your action plan, you'll be actively working towards living a more fulfilling and purposeful life.